Saying cutie.
Thank you. ഒത്തിരി സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. Suddenly I'm out of words. Like this is my first direct Telugu movie, and I'm so happy that Geetha Arts introduced me to the Telugu industry. So first I want to thank Geetha Arts, Allu Aravind sir, thank you so much, Vidya ma'am, Banu garu and Riyaz garu and Vanni Basu garu for the wonderful opportunity. And చాలా మంచి రెస్పాన్సెస్ ఇచ్చారు మీరందరూ నాకు. I saw the morning show and I was so happy that people loved Harini, and I'm getting lots of lovely responses through all the social media. And ante I just want to thank everybody who helped me to play Harini, to be Harini, and to work for this project. Karthik sir, thanks a lot, and all my co-stars Vishnu garu, Venla Kishore garu and Keitiga. See you all soon for probably the theatre visits maybe. And yeah, thank you so much for coming. See you all soon. Thank you.
ఆఖరిగా విద్యా గారిని మాట్లాడి దీన్ని లేకుండా క్లోజ్